Have you ever watched a really good chef cook? They've got water boiling over here, something in the oven, onions getting chopped, a sauce reducing on the stove, and somehow it all comes together at the same time. What they don't do is put a pot of water on the stove and just stand there staring at it until it boils, because that would be ridiculous. Furniture refinishing really isn't that different. Glue needs to dry, finish needs to cure, and stripper needs time to work. And I think one of the biggest mistakes people make is treating all of that waiting time like working time. It's not. If I apply something and it needs 30 minutes to do its job, I don't have a 30-minute task. I have a 1 or 2 minute task and 28 or 29 minutes to go do something else. Clean some hardware, prep another piece, make a repair, sand a drawer, answer an email. I could even go to lunch, go have a coffee. That's not multitasking, it's layering your time. And once you start thinking that way, something taking a little longer to work doesn't necessarily mean the job is taking longer. That's actually a big part of how I use QCS. I spray it on and then I go do something else, because I don't need my stripper to work in 5 minutes. I need me to work more efficiently while the stripper does its job safely. There's the difference.